All right, let's talk about moving away from paper and streamlining all your daily operations.
Think about it. Are you still using paper logs for visitors, staff, and deliveries?
And that right there is a huge blind spot. It's tough to know what's really happening. So what's the fix? It's about bringing everything together into one smart digital platform. Basically, it lets your teams work smarter, not harder, by having everything in one place. Now here's the key. Getting started is way easier than you think. No big overhaul needed. It's a simple, low-risk approach. Just start small, see the results, and then grow from there. Okay, so what can you actually digitize? Let's take a peek at the toolkit you get. And as you can see, it covers a ton, from making visitors happy to keeping the site secure. Take visitor management. You go from slow paper logs to quick, secure digital check-ins. Same goes for tracking materials. Suddenly, disputes disappear because you have digital proof for everything. And for service requests, no more chasing people down. Issues get tracked from start to finish. Okay, but what's the real payoff? Let's talk about the return on your investment. You get real-time visibility, better accountability, and hard data that actually saves you time and money. So it all comes down to this. What's the one paper process you'd love to digitize first?